Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to check YouTube screen time. So if you want to check the time you used on YouTube or the time you spent watching videos on YouTube, then here's a video for you. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open the YouTube application. Once opened, click on the profile button at the bottom right. And then once you selected that, you want to scroll down the profile page. Now locate and click on time watched. Once you select the time watched, then you should see your daily average. So in my own case, I have 10-minute daily average on YouTube. So this is your screen time on YouTube. So mostly I spend most of my time on YouTube on Sunday and Thursdays. And today so far I spent 3 minutes. And the last 7 days I spent 1 hour 8 minutes on YouTube. So here you can see your YouTube screen time and the time you spent using YouTube. However, your stats are based on your watch history across YouTube products. So this does not include YouTube Music or YouTube TV. So this includes using this same account on all devices, including your smart TV and your other phones, and then you're good. So that's exactly how you can easily access your YouTube screen time or check time spent on YouTube. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.